All right, Shalom Akim. First and foremost, want to give all praise and glory to you. How about Shem Shai, Ba'ashem Rakakodash. Double honor to the apostles and elders of Great Millstone. Shalom to the elect that sees word in our true faith and sincerity. Yeah, man, it's just a quick lesson on further proving that the so-called white man is a devil, man. As you can see, is the title. This from RT News, so you know that this is not what you call it, it's not fake, man. These things are coming out more and more that the so-called white man is a devil, man, and it lets you know that he's also Cain, man. But I'm gonna get a scripture. I'm gonna play this video, then I'm gonna get a scripture.
By the way, with the rise of technology and the future of food might be very different than what we have now, especially since most of our favorite foods are now printable. RT's Trinity Chavez has more on this story.
With the rise of culinary 3D printers, most of our favorite foods are printable. And
now, as you just heard, culinary 3D printers. So, hey man, this devil, man, Esau is a damn devil. That lets you know that we're eating our bread defiled among the Gentiles, man. We're not even eating real food. It just looks like real food, It just looked like real food. Actually, when I was going on the comments, it said this remind me of chicken nuggets. It ain't even chicken. So you're eating newborn grown cells. What could possibly go wrong? Let's see. It said what happened to Agenda 21 and eugenics? Make more fake root foods. So that lets you know that these devils trying to kill a lot of people off, man. And
stakes are high.
Salakia, and the earth is not going to yield forth her fruit, man. Everything and everybody is against Esau Edom, man. And this witchcraft that he do, 3D printer, culinary 3D printer, man, lets you know more that Esau's the damn devil, man.
As the 3D printing industry races to perfect printed meat. From cakes to candy.
We have 10 different colors and flavors.
Even to pizzas.
The machine that you see here, it's a pizza maker.
It seems like most of our favorites are just a 3D print away. But now the culinary world is on a much larger project. According to the UN Food and Agriculture Organization, industrialized agriculture is responsible for a significant portion of our air pollution, biodiversity decline, climate change, and land degradation. So researchers from a variety of startups are now tackling the problem to create meat without using an animal to help meet future demand.
The current livestock system is unsustainable for the environment, and it's important to find a solution to this urgent problem.
3D printed meat aims to reduce greenhouse gases, promote a cruelty-free way to satisfy the demand for meat, and provide a sustainable protein source for all consumers, especially since the world's population is expected to reach 9 billion by 2000.
Where is you getting the protein from? Where is you getting the protein from? Then earlier, she said industrial agriculture. Well, it's these devils. They push everything out on a high demand. They grown these people to get it here, get it now. And it should be in abundance. This is how these devils get down, man. Let you know that children are ruling right now because they really don't know how to rule, man. They don't have a full understanding on how to rule, which lets you know that they was never meant to rule, man. The Lord is showing us who the wicked are, man. Who is advocating all these things, 3D printed meat, man. The so-called white man, man. If you don't know this man's a damn devil, man, you're gonna go down with him, man. But I think it's a little bit more on this.
When I was able to build a tissue that really resembled an animal tissue, I thought, why can't I use this technology and apply this to gastronomy so that I could generate a meat substitute?
Growing meat in the lab could cut greenhouse gas emission caused by agriculture to drop 78% to 96% while using 99% less land. And now companies are also racing to produce cell-based seafood.
We call it cellular aquaculture, and really never having to grow an entire fish. We only grow those cells that you will want to be eating.
Now, the 3D printing technology does allow for customization of the ingredients to accommodate a person's dietary needs, but part of the challenge is to create food to feel and look like the food the consumer expects. Meanwhile, experts say that for ingredients to accommodate a person's dietary needs, but part of the challenge is to create food to feel and look like the food the consumer expects.
Yeah, just it's a facade, man. Yeah, like I said, it just read in the comments. It remind me of chicken nuggets. You know, it's not no that's not real food, man. You know, these Edomites, they gotta go, man. You know, they gotta damn go, man. See how, man.
While experts say that further in the future, this may be the norm to get your steak or seared piece of tuna 3D printed on demand. Reporting in New York, Trinity Chavez, RT.
See, man, so that lets you know, man, the so-called white man's a devil, man. He's a damn devil, man. Let's see. I got a few precepts. I thought I was just going to leave off one, but let me get a couple on. Let's see. Let me find that. Bear with me, Akio. Yeah, so this is Ezekiel chapter 4, verse 13. Matter of fact, yeah, let me just get to the point. It says, and the Lord said, even thus shall the children of Israel eat their bread. So, like, matter of fact, let me start at verse 12. It says, and thou shalt eat it as well. Verse 12. It said, thou shalt eat it as barley cakes, and thou shalt bake it with dung that come out of a man in their sight. Yeah, because he was eating shit cakes, man. You know, and even today, they is certain beef. I know, like the Ammonites, so-called Japanese, they use shit and manipulate it to where it's steak. Well, it tastes like a damn steak, man. You know, it says verse 13. It says, and the Lord said, even thus shall the children of Israel eat their bread defiled among the Gentiles, whither I will drive them. And this place, America, is full of defiled bread, man. You got damn like as the comments, these chicken nuggets. Yeah, I mean, that was never heard of in the ancient world, man. You know, it just everything. These devils, man. They truly have shown their horns, man, and you people don't see it, man. Okay, let's see. Let's see. Let me get this in Genesis, because these devils, that's the curse that they have. They can't the earth is fighting against them, man. Let's see. The earth is fighting against them, man. Let's see. Yeah, this is Genesis 4:12. It said, when thou tillest the ground, it shall not henceforth yield unto thee her strength. A fugitive and a vagabond shall thou be in the earth. So yeah, when you till the ground, you're not getting no production from the earth, you know, and that's why you devils are continually in the lab. And you know, you got to be a diabolical person to come up with a 3D printer that makes food, man. That is so unnatural. That is so unnatural, man. Which the so-called white man is unnatural. The whole earth is against this man. You know, even the sun, you know, whoever created that sunscreen, man, they were the richest person, man. Because these devils, you know, they need that sunscreen, man. You know, especially over there on the West Coast where it's always sunny. These devils can't live without that sunscreen. But get to the point, you know, that lets you know, man, that everything is defiled. These devils, and they just putting this out there now. They been doing this, man. you know. But they just making it more. They just bringing it out there just to see how people gonna act to it. And you know, RT News is that's not on. Everybody is not a. What's the word I want to use? Everybody's not on the. What's the word I'm using? It's not hip on RT News. Let me say it like that. They're not hip on RT News, man. We spill the beans, you know. But this place, man, with the scrape. Matter of fact, let's just end it off with this, man. So like, yeah, we'll end it off with this. This is Micah 2:10 said, "Arise ye and depart, for this is not your rest, because it is polluted. It shall destroy you even with a sword of destruction." Yeah, in this place, America is polluted on all levels, man. Even to the with the food you eat, man. Even the food that you eat. If you go to the store and it says 100% juice, it shouldn't have no reason to even say 100% this or 100% that or organic this. It should be already natural, man. You know? And it said it destroys you even with a sword of discretion, because the more we intake these things, the more malnourished you get, especially Jake, because we got a whole different build up, man. You know, we got a certain diet you're supposed to eat. You know, but these devils, man, everything is defiled here. The air mixed with the water that we drink, the air that we breathe, the water that we drink, the food that we intake is destroying us, man. You know? So that, you know, so-called white man gotta go. And this video further proves that the so-called white man is a devil, and he's gonna get judged pretty soon, you know. And there's we said life without parole. You know, you devils you can't get out of this, man. You know. So yeah, I just hope that edifying. I want to give all praise and glory to Yahweh, by Hashem Yahweh Shai, by Hashem Kakwadash. Double honors to the apostles and elders at Great Millstone. Shalom to the elect that teach word in our true faith and sincerity. DTA, Abad Babal.